I am writing this article to enlighten people on their prostate health, specifically on how to milk your prostate. It is around 3 years ago when I learned of this practice. After a few practice and positive results, I made it a regular regimen. It has improved my life in bed, as well as the health of my prostate. For some men, the idea of milking of one's prostate is unfathomable. These are the people who are uninterested in exploring the bottom part of their body. I will lay the cards right now and tell you that this practice entails an open mind and a whole lot of patience. I tell you these sacrifices will pay you thousandfolds. I have to admit, before I started with prostate milking I have had some second thoughts on inserting a finger on my anus. I dread that part during annual physical exam. Why would I do it to myself? Well, everything changed when I learned of my grandfather's fight with prostate cancer. I was alarmed about the complications it can cause in my body. So, I searched and asked experts on how to keep my prostate cancer-free. My grandfather developed his cancer during the age of 72. I don't want to be part of the statistics that says, men at the age of 70 and above have a 50% chance of acquiring prostate cancer. Since it is already in my genes, I wanted to lower down other factors that may lead down to the sickness. One of the best, dependable, and effective techniques I learned is milking the prostate. The side effects are virtually zero, and the results are superb. I started off by doing some purchases that would help me with my attempt to do prostate milking. I bought 2 lubricants, one is silicone-based and the other is oil, just to get a feel of which one does better. I also bought some paper towels and alcohol for sure disinfection. I want to prevent any form of infection due to this activity. One advice that really helped me succeed in milking my prostate is to go slow. At first, I made myself familiar with the sensation of being touched at my bottom, without the penetration yet. Also, I evaluated which position would suit me. It takes some time before I finally had the position that would not strain my hand or my legs. You may use the pillow for some leverage or rest when your legs are feeling tired. It is around my 6th or 7th attempt when I had a successful prostate orgasm. The first few attempts are allotted for familiarization. I was helping myself get used to the new sensations on my bottom. Then, I proceed to using the lubricant. I am leaning towards silicone-based lubricants, it has a better feel. On the other hand, I find the oil too slippery. There are times when I switch to oil just to give myself a different treat. I suggest that you read on if you are still having second thoughts. Seek for alternatives if you are feeling a little uncomfortable with the idea of touching yourself. One alternative is to find a prostate massager. I have used it myself and had superb results. Yes, it takes a few weeks or maybe months for you to enjoy the perks of this massage. We were brought up in a way that we do not feel comfortable in touching our bottom area. That might be the biggest hump you will encounter as you start to learn the how-to in milking your prostate. It helps if your partner or wife is supportive, and even willing to lend a hand. They can make it much more enjoyable for you.